System software. Software. It is general term used for computer programs that control the operations of computer. A program is a sequence of instructions that perform particular tasks, and the set of program is called software. Software gives hardware its capabilities. Thus, hardware is of no use without software, and software cannot be used without hardware. System software. System software is the software that controls internal computer operations and performs tasks associated with controlling and utilizing computer hardware. It can be further categorized as operating system. It is a system software which acts as an interface between user and hardware. It manages flow of information to and from processor, set priorities for handling different tasks, also manages hardware and software activities within the computer system, and so on. Without operating system, computer cannot do anything useful. For example, Microsoft Windows 7, XP, Mac OS, Unix, Linux, Android KitKat, etc. Language processors. It is a software program designed or used to perform tasks such as processing or converting program code to machine code. Example of language processor is assemblers, translators, and compilers. Utilities. Utility software are those application programs that assist the computer by performing housekeeping function like compression of files, folders, or taking backup, disk defragmenter, disk cleanup, disk checkup, antivirus software, and so on.